Okay, so I was given this 3D printed RX78 head. It's 3D printed, so I'm just going to try to attempt to um, spray it now. Put in some primer and then some of the colors. Hopefully it works, right? Continuing this project which I left off masking it. I'm just going to do some hand painting, or just to save a bit of time, to ensure that the finish is better than if I sprayed it. So I'm just going to use some of this Jumwin Extra Metal Metallic Red, okay, and which is a lacquer paint, and just going to start painting these parts. Yep. I'm just afraid if I spray paint them, it may not come out nice. Let's see, even this method, I'm not sure what's the results going to be like, because it seems to be a bit thin, the paint, to cover the black. So I may actually end up having to spray it. I don't know. I'm not so sure. Yeah, see, the color doesn't, with the brush, it doesn't stay too well, right? It doesn't cover too well, so I may have to end up being to spray it. But anyway, just testing with the paintbrush. Yeah. The one that's tough is the eyes. I think maybe that one I may paint with hand. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yeah, the other one is going to be the metallic yellow that I'm going to use to paint the eyes with hand brush, because I believe using the airbrush is going to be just too difficult to get into the right corners. So I'm just going to attempt the eyes. It's also not easy, right? You can see It's not the easiest to get to, so I'm just gonna try my best and paint it up. Mm. Yeah, you can see. Just turn on some light. See better painting. Yep. So he's got the eyes in. Yeah. I think, I don't know. Maybe I'll spray brush this part, but the bottom red part I think I need to hand paint because not easy to get through using the airbrush. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see how it goes now, removing some of the masking. Hopefully it turns out okay. I just left it as hand painting, sorry. And yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, some parts of the you can see here there's bleeding. I will need to touch it up later on, but yeah, you can see most of it. Oh, I forgot to paint this part. I need to paint this part. Oh, and also the sides needs to be painted yellow here, the thrusters. But yeah, looking quite okay. This part looks as if it's merged a little bit. I need to touch it up with some red paint, some white paint, some of the white paint. Yep. Okay, so much touching up to do. Alright, so I finished painting and touching up the Gundam RX78 Headbust. And now I'm going to try to put in, so apply a little bit of panel liner. Yeah, so I'm going to try that now on this 3D printed and painted RX78 Headbust. Alright, so the whole RX78 3D printed bus is all done. I've already panel lined it, and after the painting, that's what I did some touch up, and here's the final finished product on the rotating base. So this is the first time really painting on a 3D printed kit, if you like. It's my first time, so you can see the painting is not the smoothest. I had to use some hand brush here and there, but it's a good start. I think this is a nice bust of the RX78, and yeah, hopefully get to do others as well. Anyway, hope you like this video. It took me some time to do it, so hopefully it's worthwhile viewing this video. Thank you guys.